So if you look at it 2 years ago and you look at him now, I don't know, he has dreams now. He loves school, he loves learning, he loves reading. It's a little strange. It was strange at first to see this young mind just
transform. He never approached puzzles. He never really was interested in a particular type of book for him to enjoy. I would always have to try to introduce, but he now knows the style of writing that he likes and the authors, and his extracurricular, dance and being a male, even that, and struggling with the fact that he's a male ballet dancer in Trinidad. I think even the support from the Morris Center helped him even deal with that, and for us as well. And he is going guns and loving school. He's known as the boy who dances in school. So he's popular, which he loves, and he's doing well academically. Academically, I said he got A's and B's for the first time ever, and he surprised himself.
What about this one? So he got 100% on a math test. 100% on a math test. So the next week of 2 or 3, he had another math test, and he didn't want to tell me his score. It was 80 something, but he didn't want to tell me the score because he thought that was bad. 80 something percent. This is a child who was getting 2 out of 10 and 5 out of 10 and trying his best, studying, working hard, doing all that he could do, doing all the work with us, and 100%. And then the next test he got lower because he said he made some silly mistakes, so he missed out the question, and he was like, I don't want to tell him. That's not good enough.
Because he wants it to be perfect. I see it as, from a professional point of view, when I recommend Norris Center to families, I really see it as it is the only place that you can get all the disciplines coming together to share results and to look at a bigger picture for the child and communicate those scores across the disciplines. That is invaluable compared to you now taking the time to go to this psychologist and then come back to go to the speech pathologist, to come back to go to the occupational therapist, but then one might be missing the other piece. I like that everybody works together and can give a better picture diagnostically, yes, and come up with recommendations with the family involved. That is something you can't take away. That you really gain. So that's the diagnostic and the evaluation part of it. But even thereafter, for the follow-up and the intensive program, the consistency. You can't 1 week go, 2 days later go. If we can get everything every day, and all those professionals who got that big picture, and everybody working together and taking data and tracking progress and seeing what needs to fit, what could we, where are the loopholes, what can we try,
It's a gift.
It's a no-brainer.
It's a gift to your child. At the end of the day, it's a gift. Yes, there are things, there are expenses that are there, but if you spend 5 years in lessons 3 times a week for 5 years, and you just keep going to lessons, the amount of money that you're going to spend there, and then you go to an intensive program for a year or 2.
It's an investment.
It's a gift. It's a gift that they're going to be able to use forever.
With results
forever, and they're going to be happy that they did this in the long run. The parents and the children. It's a sacrifice in all ways, but it's a sacrifice with a gift at the end, which is it's
priceless.
Yeah, it's priceless.